First steps is jumping, bass is pumping. Look at the girl and your heart starts thumping. She said she wanna dance to a different groove. Now you know what to do, so bust a move. Just bust a move.
Do it again.
First steps is jumping, bass is pumping. Look at the girl and your heart starts thumping. She said she wanna dance to a different groove. Now you know what to do, so bust a move. Just bust a move.
I really like this guy. I really like the recording on this one. I kind of like it better than the Jemmy one from the cow. I like it better from the Pouncing Cow at TJ Maxx. I mean, no, not TJ Maxx, Track Display. So with animatronics, if you like the sound Bust a Move, you can get this guy. But hey, at least he doesn't sing All I Do Is Win, because I thought he would sing that at first. But thankfully, he doesn't, so I'm really glad about that. Yeah, yes, I want you.